We have a 3-in-1 wireless charger for your smartphones. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. You're traveling and you want to take your charger in this nice case. It unzips, and what you have inside here is strapped together with a little netting, your cable, instructions, your power port, and your 3-in-1 charger. Your USB-C cable, 4 feet long. We're going to plug it in. It's C to C ends, and we're going to plug it to the charging cable port that opens up nice and wide, as you can see. If you have a smartwatch, your AirPods, and your smartphone. Let's plug this in. When plugging USB-C to the base, please make sure you give a nice, hard, firm press in. These are the AirPods. They're charging. Smartphone. Make sure it clears the cable. Cases do not work, so you may have to remove your phone from the case. And voila, we are charging 100%. If you have a smartwatch, you put your smartwatch over there and you can lift it up and rest it like so. When all done, you simply fold everything, pull everything off, and put it back into its case. And the next time when you're ready to charge, you have it ready to go about. I hope this is a product that you're looking for. A wireless charger that charges your smartphone without a case. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.